ay 60 FPS lang sa Mobile Legends. 60 FPS for God's sake. Honest opinion about these two phones, and let's start dito sa K80 Ultra. This is using a Dimensity 9400 Plus, which is I am amazed. Masaya ako because how optimized this chipset is. When it comes to running of games, Genshin Impact, I was surprisingly amazed by the consistency of the performance na meron dito sa K80 Ultra. Plus, it's very affordable. Like, inas ko sa UKDB Pampanga and nabili ko to for around 19,000 pesos, 18,000 pesos, I forgot. But that is how low price yung K80 Ultra. Plus, it's very, very good. Plus, it's optimized sa Mobile Legends. Speaking of Mobile Legends, alam mo ba na itong K90 Pro Max ay 60 FPS lang sa Mobile Legends. 60 FPS for God's sake. And dito sa 120 FPS. I mean, Kuya Luis, baka skill issue. Guys, everyday, hanggang ngayon, tinatry ko pa din ang lahat na maging 120 FPS siya. Hindi kaya eh. Pero Kuya Luis, kamusta naman sa PUBG Mobile? Ang smooth. I mean, hands down, ang smooth, ang sarap. Compared ko dito, I mean, mas malaki yung screen dito, so mas masarap mag PUBG Mobile dito. But, CODM MP Battle Royale, kayang-kaya na Snapdragon 8 Elite 5. But, Mobile Legends. Pero, ito po yung nakakagulat or nakakainis. Kasi, alam kong 60 FPS siya, pero sa indicator ko, 120 FPS. Like, what? Kuya Luis, baka naman tinry mong pakasagad. Ginawa ko low lahat. Pero yung FPS ko, tinaas ko. It's just, no. Wala pa din. Ultra naman siya settings. Anyway, when it comes to the build quality of the K80 Ultra, it's nice at sobrang hindi to nag-init. Like this phone, like this K90 Pro Max, nung sinet up ko to, na walang aircon, oh my God! Up na paso ako. Like so hot. To the point na parang 16 Pro Max yung init niya. Like sobrang init ng 16 Pro Max, for God's sake. So anyway, but this build quality, this two build quality is very nice. I do love it. It's very clean. And this speaker, the Bose speaker, it's so good. Like, ang heaven. I don't know if you guys want to hear it, but let's try. Ay, gago. Wala. Holy fucking airball. It's nice. For this price, I could not ask for more speaker than this. Maybe watching movies, playing games, it's good here. But this optimization na meron sa Dimensity 9400 Plus, I will choose this between this. But, syempre, ang 8 Elite 5 ay napaka-consistent sa FPS games. Like, COD-M, PUBG Mobile, ang sarap. Sobrang consistent. Like, for a moment, nakalimutan ko na may iPhone 17 Pro pala ako. Honest review. But anyway, this is my honest take between these two phones, and let me know in the comment section if these phones are worth buying this 2026. And as always, it's Luis, your tech guy here in this internet, and I'm